Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Snap. Snap means break suddenly and completely. For example, guitar strings kept snapping. Guitar strings kept snapping. Synonyms: break, break in two, break into two.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exemplar. Suddenly, the icicles grew in size and snapped off, careening into the two men. Now, repeat after me. Suddenly, the icicles grew in size and snapped off, careening into the two men. The second exemplar. She sped away in her car. He snapped off the door handle trying to stop her. Now, repeat after me. She sped away in her car. He snapped off the door handle trying to stop her. The third exemplar. He grabbed onto the car door, and suddenly, the door and mirror snapped off with it. Now, repeat after me. He grabbed onto the car door, and suddenly, the door and mirror snapped off with it.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
25% of the world's population speaks at least some English.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.